Good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Touring. This is the S trim package, the blacked out rims. Very nice looking vehicle. It's got a brand new rear entry ADA compliant conversion. Easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just two fingers. Got a handle on either side. I pinch and I flip, and I can take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than most side entries, so if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this rear entry may be the answer for you. Now, if someone parks next to you in a side entry wheelchair accessible van, you may not be able to get out of the vehicle in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to the rear entry, but I do also sell side entry. I sell full size. We've even got some trucks and SUVs. So if you don't see it on our website, talk to me. We might have it in production right now, or I can find it from you. Inside the van, we got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, then about 56 once you're inside. Tapers down to about 32 inches of width here at the base where the ramp sets. And this is the deep cut. This allows 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney, or a stretcher. And what about these Chryslers? They're about a foot deeper cut than both the Dodge and the Toyota. So if you need that extra foot to get 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or extra gurney room, these Chryslers might be the answer for you. We've got the upgraded Q-strength tie downs. We throw those in at no charge to you. Now, our competition, a lot of them are going to charge you $700 or $800 to upgrade to those. We throw them in no charge. Got your cup holders back here, plugs for your passengers in the rear. Headliner is great. Got your rear air controls over there. Got about 21 inches of room between the seats. If you want us to put in some seats that'll flip up on their side, flip base seats, we can even put a third row flip seat in here. Talk to me about your measurements. Tell me how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Got your warranty and tie down information there. Got cup holders for your passengers in the second row. Cup holders for your driver and passenger. Plug-ins for all your electronics. Dual climate control, rear air. We've even got the park assist. We've got the lane departure warning. A lot of great safety features on this van. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. And you can also shut all the power doors up top here. And I got the steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. So when you get everybody secure, come back out, simply reverse the process, and you're ready to roll. Now, our conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Now, our competition is going to tell you they have a better conversion than we do, and that's fine. That's what they get paid to say, but I want you to ask them what their warranty is. A lot of them are going to tell you no warranty. Some will tell you 1 year, 12,000 miles. Some will tell you 3 years, 36,000 miles. I want you to compare those numbers to our 3-year unlimited mile. I think it's pretty easy to see who has the better built conversion. Tinted windows, got your 18-inch alloy wheels, super slick. Got your roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. All the tires in this van are in excellent shape. Not quite new, but not far from it. Very good tires on the van. And as I do the walk around of the van, you can see I'm looking for a dent or a scratch in the van. I mean, we're very meticulous with our vans, nice and clean. Now, you hear me talk about all the time how we can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on your next wheelchair accessible van. It's simple, folks. There's no magic to it. We're low overhead. I'm the owner of the company. I'm out here working on blue collar. We have one central location. That allows us to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. That saves you money. And then also with our one location, very low overhead. I want you to imagine our competition of 5, 10, 50, 100 stores. Imagine all the overhead they have. Imagine how much more they have to charge per van just to stay in the green, you know, not go under. So again, very simple, low overhead. That's how we beat them by $5,000 or $10,000 a van. And no matter who you buy from, get you a video of the VIN number. Why I say a video? On Facebook Marketplace mainly. Facebook Marketplace is the dirtiest place to buy a vehicle in the world, just so you know. Taking pictures of our vans, they're cutting out our emblem up there, putting a van on this, like on the internet, for say $15,000. Send a $1,000 deposit to hold it. They're trying to scam somebody. So if you were to say to them, hey, I want you to send me a video of the VIN number, get you a video. So my name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions. I've got this vehicle right here in my possession. They couldn't do that because they're scammers. They don't have the vehicle. You have to have the vehicle in your possession to do that. No matter who you buy from, get you a video of that VIN number. What we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every one of our vehicles. You can see just 2 owners. No accidents or damage, 8 service records, so have been serviced regularly. Last owned in fairly southern state, Virginia. And I'll crawl underneath here in a minute and show you the undercarriage as well. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. And they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a 2-owner clean title, no accident. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, and no accident or damage. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their reviews and ratings. Look at us on eBay, 1,558 transactions, 100% positive feedback. I'd say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. You know, I talk to a lot of people. I hear horror stories about they bought from a private individual, someone they knew nothing about, or they buy from one of these dealers that's got 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews. Instead of 4.8 like we have, they end up buying a stolen vehicle. Yes, people are selling stolen vehicles. There are people selling rental vehicles. It's a dirty business. Or they end up buying a van that's got a salvage title they weren't told about, a flood damage they weren't notified of, major mechanical issue. So hey, if you want a 1 and 2 and 3-star experience with a 1, 2 or 3-star van, you go ahead and deal with the general public and those low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. All right, another great feature about this van, we got the remote start. Hit the button twice, it fires right up. So whether you want to come out to an air-conditioned van this time of year or winter time and you want to come out to the nice heated seats and heated steering wheel leather heated seats and a heated steering wheel ready to go, you got that option. Nice black leather seats. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors inside this van. And it does have the 2 keys. It has the full key, and it's got this backup auxiliary key that has the remote start and keyless entry. So if you want to get a second key made that's fully functional with all these door opening features, let me know. We can do that on your dime. And if you ever want to use the doors manually, hit that button up there. These doors become manual. So if you're going to use this for business, open them, shut them quickly. You don't risk breaking the motors or anything, but just wanted to show you a little layout, show you how clean these seats are, the layout of the back, so those of you that aren't familiar with these know what they look like. And another great feature, I love the push button start. So if you got the key in your pocket or your purse, you don't have to fish it out. You get in, put your foot on the brake, push the start button, fires right up. All the check engine lights and everything work, and they all go out. So 57,775 miles. Got a huge touchscreen backup camera, even shows you all around you. And it has, if you start backing up to something, it'll start beeping at you to give you an audio warning as well, in case you didn't see it in your mirrors or your camera. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We test all the power mirrors and windows, show you those working, and it's got the lane departure warning. You might see this on our test drive, little triangle right there. If someone's in my blind spot, it'll turn yellow, and if I try to merge, it'll beep at me to let me know, hey, someone's over there. So another great safety feature. My mechanics have tested all the power mirrors, windows, locks, heat, air, cruise. Let me get that window mirror over there. There it goes. Belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Check the tires, replace fluids as necessary. My overall point is, I hope you can tell by our videos, we're very thorough in everything we do. I don't just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, we got a 3.6 V6 engine, idle smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the van, you can see underneath, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or fluid leaks, no signs of any rust, from being up in the rust belt, and no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or or a flood. And I tell you what, folks, guess how many brand new vehicles are getting flooded right now this time of year in the spring? So new vehicles can flood just as easy as a used vehicle. My point is, do not assume things. What I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. That's right, I am sending you to the competition. And I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online? So I know I'm dealing with somebody honest, reputable, and fair. Do they show me a Carfax report? So I know I got a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood. Do they show me good pictures of undercarriage, much less a detailed video? So you can see no bent metal from an accident, no signs of any water damage from a flood. Do they get pictures and video of the roof so you can see there's no hail damage up top, no holes from a taxi being drilled in, and you have no idea how many vehicles I see at auction that have damage on the roof or they have holes drilled in the roof because no one looks at the roof. You know who looks at the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who looks at the roof. So not only do I get a video, I crawl up on this overpass, get down there, take pictures of the roof as well. So when it comes to price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please compare me to the competition. Tell me what ends up happening. If you end up buying a van you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual, if you end up buying a van that's got can't pass inspection because it's got frame damage from a flood or an accident, in both those cases and in many more, you cannot drive the vehicle if you can't get it titled. You just bought a 4,000 pound paperweight. So before you buy from anybody, to avoid those problems and so many more, do 4 things. demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, you're not buying a handbag off Amazon. This is a major purchase. Demand a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I do that because they have the most thorough vehicle history reports. I spend a bit of extra money. You should demand it the same. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out the reputation and reviews. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van meets the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Chrysler until it hits 60,000 miles or 2026. Got the conversion on the warranty. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. And you can see up here on the roof, a couple leaves back there. There's no damage, just some leaves from the trees. These trees over here. Overall, very clean. Let's get her out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video, I like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear them run. That's the ledge I climb up on top of to get pictures of the roof of the vehicle. So, gonna give it some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Chrysler home. We've done our due diligence, we've made sure that it's roadworthy. If traffic permits, I'll give it a pop it up to about 70 miles an hour here. There we go. There's some room right there. But a good acceleration, engine strong, transmission shifts smoothly. 70 miles an hour in the blink of an eye. Runs and drives the thing like a brand new Pacifica. Cruise control set. Cruise works good. Like I mentioned, has the lane departure warning. That yellow spot means that guy was in my blind spot. Again, another great safety feature to have. And do keep in mind, it does meet the specs to be under the powertrain warranty from Chrysler and also the conversion warranty, but we do sell long-term factory type warranties. They go in for 90 days, all the way out to 8 years and everywhere in between. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. So I had my turn signal on, that car was in my blind spot. I let out a loud beep to me to let me know, hey, don't merge over there. So, and do keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of our competition, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee. They've got document fees, they've got tag fees, they've got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the cost of all the fees and all the shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you and no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. You saw when I came down the ramp, there was a nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Again, exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a call or a text message, tell me someone's next to me. I'm trying to turn the left turn signal on here. Here we go. But call, text message 316-262-FANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That's the direct line to call or text me. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. And by the way, text message is the best way to get a hold of us. That way any of my employees can respond when a text comes through. It goes to all of our computers. If you do need to call, you're welcome to. It's very hard. We stay so busy, it's hard to answer the phone. We get back to you as soon as we can, though. But call us, text us, and like I said, the competition, you might end up getting a voicemail, might end up in somebody's voicemail box, don't get a call back, or you end up getting that used car salesman if you get a live person. He's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman. Give us a call, give us a text. We'll respond to you with absolutely zero pressure sales. I promise you, we're going to sell this Pacifica whether you buy it or not. So no pressure sales here. And if you're sick of being treated like just a number by all the big companies out there, again, reach out to us, call us, or text us. And we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a text, give us a call, let us know you'd like to apply. We can have somebody give you a call, take that application over the phone, no problem. Yes, we do take trade-ins. even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Get in touch with me. I can explain how that works. And if you ever would like to come in, we would welcome that, but we do require, again, listen, we do require an appointment. Text us, call us, make that appointment. We'll get you all set up, get you taken care of. We just stay extremely busy, so be sure to make that appointment with us. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase, so I try to be as thorough as possible. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures of every vehicle, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out mobility316.com, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call or preferably text us today. Have yourself a wonderful day, and thanks for checking us out.